Hello, everyone. Welcome to Real Talk English. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're honestly excited to have you here.
Yes, welcome, welcome. And let me tell you something right away. If you're watching this, you're already one step ahead.
Exactly, because this video is not only about improving your English.
It's also about improving your life.
So stay with us until the end because what we'll share today can help you speak better English and build better habits for 2026.
All right, Emily, start us strong.
Okay, here we go. Let me ask you something. If nothing changes in your daily habits, do you think your life will be different next year?
Wow, that's a powerful question.
It really is. And now we want you to answer it.
Yes, pause for a second.
And tell us in the comments, do you think your life will change if your habits stay the same?
Be honest, no judgment here.
Exactly. We're all friends here.
You know, Emily, this question reminds me of something.
What's that?
For years, I said, next year will be better.
Oh no, let me guess.
Next year came and nothing changed.
Same life, same habits?
Same phone, same excuses, same problems.
That's so relatable.
And that's the problem for many people.
Yes, people want big changes.
But they keep the same small habits.
Exactly. And today, we're going to flip that.
Small habits, big results.
And don't worry, we're not talking about crazy habits like waking up at 4 a.m. every day.
Thank you, because I was about to leave.
Relax. These habits are simple, realistic, and even fun.
All right, I'm ready.
Let's start with the first habit, how you start your day.
Mornings, my old enemy.
Be honest, James. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Easy. I grab my phone, scroll, scroll, scroll.
And suddenly it's 30 minutes later.
Exactly, and I'm already tired.
That's because your brain starts the day in reaction mode.
Notifications, messages, bad news.
Stress before breakfast.
So what's the better habit?
Start your day with one small positive action.
Like what? Don't scare us.
I promise, nothing scary. For example, 5 minutes of English.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking to yourself in English.
Talking to myself again, my favorite hobby.
See, you're already practicing.
And honestly, 5 minutes feels possible.
That's the secret. If it feels easy, you'll actually do it.
And if you do it every day,
Your confidence grows,
your English improves.
and your day starts with the win.
I like that. Start the day winning.
Small habit, big energy.
All right, I'm convinced.
Good, because this is just habit number 1.
And it only gets better from here.
So stay with us, laugh with us, learn with us.
And let's build habits that actually change your life in 2026.
All right, James, are you ready for habit number 2?
I think so, but please tell me it doesn't involve running at 5 a.m.
Relax, no running, no pain. Habit number 2 is about how you use your free time.
Oh, now this one is dangerous.
Very dangerous. Let me ask you, what do most people do when they have free time?
Easy. They say, I'll just check my phone for 5 minutes.
And those 5 minutes become 1 hour.
Exactly. Suddenly it's midnight.
And then they say, I'm too tired to study English.
Classic. I've said that sentence many times.
Same here. But here's the habit that changes everything.
I'm listening.
Turn dead time into English time.
Dead time.
Yes, time when you're already doing nothing important.
Like waiting for the bus?
Perfect example. Or waiting in line, or washing dishes.
Ah, yes, my favorite activity.
Instead of scrolling, you listen to English.
A short podcast?
Exactly. Or a short video, or even repeating simple sentences.
So you don't need extra time.
Nope, you just use time better.
Wow, that's actually smart.
And realistic.
I like habits that don't feel like punishment.
Same. That's why this works.
Okay, what's habit number 3?
This one is powerful and a little uncomfortable.
Uh-oh, I don't like that word.
Habit number 3 is speak English before you feel ready.
Oh no, not that.
Yes, that. Most learners wait and wait and wait.
I'll speak when my grammar is perfect.
I'll speak when my accent is better.
I'll speak next year.
Exactly. But confidence doesn't come before speaking.
Confidence comes after speaking.
Yes, and making mistakes.
Many mistakes.
And guess what? That's normal.
I remember my first conversation in English.
Oh no, story time.
I was so nervous. My hands were shaking.
Same here.
I made mistakes in every sentence.
But did the world end?
No, the person understood me.
And that's the goal. Communication, not perfection.
Exactly. So the habit is simple.
Speak a little every day.
Even one sentence.
Even one sentence.
To yourself, to a friend, online.
All of them. Just don't stay silent. Silence is the real enemy.
Yes, silence keeps you stuck. Okay, I feel motivated now.
Good, because we're not done yet.
There are more habits?
Oh yes, and the next one is my favorite.
Now you've got my attention.
Because it's about how you talk to yourself.
Ah, that voice in my head.
Exactly, and we'll talk about that next.
All right, everyone, don't go anywhere.
The best habits are still coming.
And trust us, future you will say thank you.
All right, James, let's talk about that voice in your head.
Oh no, the one that says your English is terrible.
Yes, that voice. Habit number 4 is change the way you talk to yourself.
That sounds deep.
It is, but it's also very simple.
Okay, explain.
Most learners say things like, I'm bad at English. I'll never speak fluently. I'm too old.
Ouch, I've said all of those.
Me too. But imagine saying that to a friend.
That would be very rude.
Exactly. So why do we say it to ourselves?
Good question.
Instead, change the sentence.
Like how?
I'm learning English. I'm getting better every day. I make mistakes, and that's okay.
That already feels better.
Because words explain your reality.
So if I say positive things,
Your brain starts to believe them.
wow, so English practice is also brain practice.
Exactly. And this habit doesn't just improve your English,
It improves your confidence,
your motivation.
your life.
Yes, that's why this video is bigger than English.
Okay, what's next?
Habit number 5 is small but powerful.
I like small habits.
Habit number 5, end your day with English.
End the day?
Yes, before you sleep.
Not scrolling social media again.
No scrolling. Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes sounds possible.
You review a few words, you read a short text, you think in English.
Thinking in English before sleep?
Yes, your brain remembers it better.
So my brain is learning while I sleep?
Kind of.
I like that idea.
And imagine doing this every day for 1 year.
That's a lot of English.
And a lot of progress.
Okay, Emily, I need to ask.
Go ahead.
Why do most people not do these habits?
Because they think change must be big.
Like studying 3 hours a day.
Exactly. And when it's too big, they stop.
But small habits,
Are easy to start
easy to repeat.
and powerful over time.
That's the secret, isn't it?
Yes, small habits, big change.
All right, everyone, let us ask you something.
Which habit will you start today?
Habit 1, 2, 3.
Tell us in the comments.
We really want to know.
And remember, don't try to change everything at once.
Just start small.
And stay consistent.
Because if you change your habits,
You change your year.
and maybe your whole life.
Thanks for watching Real Talk English.
If this video helped you, like it.
Share it with someone who needs it.
And don't forget to subscribe.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!